Daddy.
I did.
Let's step in the water.
Okay. You gonna do the splish splashes?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Where you going? You gonna go over to those puddles over there?
Step in the water.
Yeah. No, you stay out of their yard, please. You can play in the water, but stay out of the yard.
I think that house.
Yeah. That's somebody else's house.
Our house.
That's our house, that's right.
That's our house.
Yeah?
That's
You gonna splish splash?
our house.
Yeah. No, that's not our house. You gonna play in the water, kiddo?
That's our house.
Okay.
That's our house. That's our house.
Alright, sweetie, I hear you.
I'm jumping in the water.
Yay!
That is Papa.
No, leave it alone. No, that doesn't belong to us. Don't touch it, please.
What's that?
That's a mailbox. It doesn't belong to us. Don't touch it, please.
Round,
Yeah.
round, 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 round. Let's two. Bring the other bomb. I jump in the water. I get a bomb. I get a bomb. I get a bomb. Boom! I jump in the water. 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 Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I jump in my thing. Oh, no. That's not the beach. Go, 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 go. I baseball. Over top of mountain. Almost don't know. Over stop. Stop. The water.
Are you having fun? Kinsey. Sweetie pie. Kinsey. Yoo-hoo.
I beat a fire engine.
Yeah.
And house. With the bed. With the...
Bye-bye. What's the matter?
Bicycle.
Hi.
That's a bicycle.
Yeah, there's a nice man riding the bicycle. Oh no, now your pants are all wet. Son's got soggy britches now. Oh no. Is that all cold? Are you having fun? Okay, let me turn the camera off. You want to say bye-bye to the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, come here and say bye-bye. Look at the camera and say bye-bye.